I've realized that it's been, I don't know
how long. I don't know how long ago.
Since I've reacted last to my Morissette. Well, she's not mine really, but it's been a while and since I've reacted to Morissette. And my last video for Morissette was my Morissette fix. This is my Morissette double fix, starting after this. Hello, I'm Toy and welcome to Toy Story channel. If it's first time you are in the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so, for more videos, more reactions and more fun. Who knows? What do you have to lose? Thank you so much again for all of you there, you there and you there and you there that keep liking, commenting, also disliking, it's fine, and subscribing to my channel. Love you all. It's been a while since I've reacted to Morissette, and if you've following my channel, you've seen how Morissette makes me feel. She makes me feel some things that I didn't know that I'm feeling. So today I went to YouTube and I said, YouTube, give me Morissette from the last month. It showed me a result from a show that this video was uploaded only for that video. This video was uploaded in 15th of September, so it's quite new. Morissette is singing Come On In Out of the Rain. I'm not sure I know this song. I may know, probably I know, but it's important to say that everything I'm saying here, I'm sharing with you my own honest opinion, and I do not wish to offend her, to insult or objectify by any way, neither Morissette nor anybody else. But if I am offending you by any chance, I am sorry. Let's watch together Morissette singing Come On In Out of the Rain, starting now.
You believe that we find love together happily. And after all the wrong.
Is that real water? Is the dancer in real water? Oh my god, it's in real water. Is Morissette going to get wet?
You feel that I'm still the one to give you loving to. So bring it home to you.
She's fantastic, isn't she? She is just fantastic.
You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome into your arms to get place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy.
Oh, I love when she does that. I love when she does that, and I love when she's doing this squeaking voice. But you know what? Morissette is one of those singers that put a lot of emotions in her singing. Now, not everybody can connect to it, and not everybody can feel what I feel, or what you fans feel. Okay, so there is no need to get, annoyed by people that don't get Morissette. Because Morissette's voice and Morissette's way of singing is just
Play on your emotions. And if you don't feel it, it doesn't mean you don't have heart, okay? So I'm feeling it though. I'm really feeling it, and I'm so happy Morissette came to my life.
Some people say can I have love right here all the time?
she is beautiful. I love her. I just love her. I love watching her so much, and I love hearing her voice. She makes me happy.
Baby, come out of the rain.
Listen, nothing I will say here will change the fact that she is fantastic singer. Now, I must admit in something. This is the first time, for some reason, for whatever reason, she didn't do it to me before, but this is the first time she reminded me Mariah Carey. By the way she looks, by the way she sings. For all of you those Morissette fan, if you feel that I'm offending you by saying that, I'm not meaning to offend anybody. I may sound like it's a bit of a negative comment. It's not. Maybe in my mind, what I want to see is a duet between those two. And just to see how it will sound. I don't know, maybe it's in a fantasy. But Morissette is unique and Morissette is fantastic and she has a great voice and she has charisma and she makes me feel that Mariah Carey doesn't make me feel. But I don't know, something in this performance was a bit too diva-ish, and maybe that's because it was too diva-ish in a way. That's why it reminded me a bit of Mariah Carey. But again, I love Morissette and I will keep... I feel I had my fix for today and I had my fix for Morissette until the next time. So please let me know in the comments below what you thought about Morissette's performance, and let me know if there are any duets that Morissette did with big divas. That would be interesting to check. I did check Morissette and Marcelito Pomoy, I think, and another duet, Morissette and Darren Espanto, which both of them are diva, but I mean a real diva woman, strong power, woman voice. It will be interesting to see. If you like this video, thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so. And until next time, see you guys very, very soon. Bye!